Certainly. Here are 5 tips for personal development. 1. Set clear goals. Start by setting clear and specific goals for yourself. Having a clear direction will help you stay focused and motivated. Break down your goals into smaller, achievable tasks and create a plan to work towards them. 2. Continuous learning. Embrace a mindset of continuous learning and growth. Seek out new knowledge, acquire new skills, and expand your horizons. Read books, take courses, attend workshops, and engage in activities that challenge you intellectually and help you develop new perspectives. 3. Self-reflection and self-awareness. Take time for self-reflection and develop self-awareness. Regularly assess your strengths, weaknesses, values, and beliefs. Understand your emotions and how they influence your thoughts and actions. This awareness will help you make better decisions, improve your relationships, and develop a deeper understanding of yourself. 4. Take action and embrace failure. Personal development requires taking action and stepping outside of your comfort zone. Be willing to take risks and embrace failure as an opportunity for growth. Learn from your mistakes, adjust your approach, and persevere. Each failure brings valuable lessons and contributes to your overall development. 5. Practice self-care. Take care of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Prioritize self-care activities that recharge and rejuvenate you. This may include exercise, proper nutrition, sufficient sleep, meditation, hobbies, spending time with loved ones, or engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Taking care of yourself is essential for personal growth and overall well-being. Remember, personal development is a lifelong journey, so be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way.